Thank you for that kind introduction. And it's my pleasure to be able to speak today at the 2021 Embedded Vision Summit. To provide a very brief introduction, my name is Chris Yates. I'm a director at Vision Ventures. Vision Ventures is an international mergers and acquisitions advisory firm where we focus specifically on the topic of vision and vision technology. Our clients are typically acquirers of companies, sellers of companies, or investors into companies with a strong vision technology focus. Today, I'm going to talk on the topic of how to assess value within companies which have a very strong artificial intelligence or machine learning focus to them, as well as why this can be a problem, some approaches to how to structure the analysis in order to extract the information, and also to cover some of those conversations around value that happen through a typical company life cycle.